Do you have an iPhone with a broken screen? New Wave Wireless can handle all your needs. We'll get you in and out and we'll fix your iPhone fast. It's only $49 to fix your broken glass. With expert technicians, great service and more, New Wave Wireless is who you're looking